Today's commute is time to plan for tomorrow's road trip. Whether you'll be cruising down the coast or through the mountains, sometimes you need assistance. Mazda has enhanced the latest navigation system to make it easier, so you can enjoy the whole experience. The navigation system shows and tells you exactly how to reach your destination, but for safety reasons, you should always plan a route before you start driving. To plan a route, select Navigation on the home screen or use the nav shortcut next to the commander knob. Navigation icons will come up at the bottom of the screen. As you roll over an icon, that icon's label appears. To plan a route to an address, select a new destination or the checkered flag icon and then select Find Address. Enter your city or zip code to begin entering your destination location. Continue using the rotary commander control to enter the street name and then enter the address number. Then confirm your destination entry. Choose Go when prompted and the Mazda navigation system will calculate your route. To enter an address using your voice, press the Talk button on the steering wheel. You'll hear the system voice say, "Navigate to new address." When prompted, say the full address for your destination. You should also note that an SD memory card comes with your navigation system and includes a map of the United States and Canada. Updates are regularly created and ready for downloading by inserting the SD card into an internet-connected computer. To insert an updated SD card into the navigation system, switch off the ignition so the navigation system is turned off. Open the center console storage compartment and find the SD card slot. Insert the Map SD card label side up. Only use the Map SD card for operating and updating the navigation system. Do not insert the Maps SD card into another vehicle or into any other device, like a camera. Also, don't insert other SD cards into the Map SD card slot.